up yourself. It's just something different. Right here, I'm drinking. Cheers. I love it so much. It's unbelievable. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. It tastes. Everything is just so nice. And the only choice I have is this. Pour out some more Ricardo because it tastes good. Now, you don't need to add any sugar, sweetener, or honey. Just drink it natural as it is right here. Now, when you drink this, you feel amazing when you sleep tonight. You feel so good when you sleep tonight. That's what I like about parsley and lemon. Let's go for it. And it's good for the kidney.